Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Naima Akter Tesha, Assistant Teacher of Science, Morning Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a class 5 elementary science class based on chapter 11 and our topic name is Weather and Climate. Let's start our class. At first, what is weather? Weather is the temporal state of sky and atmosphere at a certain place. And climate. What is climate? The usual weather pattern at a particular place for a long period of time. That means if I consider the environment of Dhaka city for 7 days, it will be the weather. And if I consider the weather of Dhaka city for 10 to 20 or 30 years average, then it will be the climate. Then come to the relation between climate and weather. Climate can be described as the average weather condition of a certain area for a long time. I have mentioned it that if we consider Dhaka city weather for 10 to 30 years average, then it will be the climate. We can predict daily weather based on the experience and knowledge of climate on our place. From climate we can guess what will be the weather. Now the components of weather and climate. The components of weather and climate are same. Temperature, humidity, wind, cloud, rain, air pressure, etc. are the components of weather and climate. Now we will discuss about air pressure. What is air pressure? The force produced by the weight of the air pushing down on the earth. Then land and sand heats up and cool down faster than water. Then we will discuss about low pressure and high pressure. How this pressure, low and high pressure will originate. During the daytime, land become warmer than the water and the warmer land warms the air above. Air that is warmed becomes lighter than the surrounding air. So it rises up. That means during the daytime, land air become warmer and it rises up because warm air are light. As a result, low pressure develops above the land. That means during daytime, low pressure will arise above the land. Air above the ocean is cooler and heavier, so it sinks. That means during daytime, ocean air is cooler than the land air. That's why in ocean, high pressure develops and in land, low pressure develops. As a result, during daytime, air blows from ocean to land because we know that from high pressure, air blows from low pressure. Then higher pressure develops over the ocean. As I told you, the wind blows from higher pressure to lower pressure area in order to replace the rising warmer air by the cold air. During night, this occur in reverse situation. We found a reverse situation. We find during night we find that in land high pressure will arise and in ocean low pressure will arise. So during night time, air blows from high pressure to low pressure. Now come to rainy season. In our country, normally June to August is considered as rainy season. During rainy season, we experience southwest monsoon wind. Land of Bangladesh is warmer than the Bay of Bengal. That means as the Bay of Bengal land is warmer than Bay of Bengal during rainy season, so from the above topic we can understand that air blows from Bay of Bengal to the land. The southwest seasonal wind brings much moisture from the Bay of Bengal. This moisture causes heavy rainfall. As the wind blows from ocean to the land, it contains large number of moisture. For this reason, during rainy season, heavy rainfall occurs. Now come to winter season. Winter season, from December to February, we consider the winter season in our country normally. During winter season, land is cooler than the Bay of Bengal. That means from inland high pressure will arise, and in ocean low pressure will arise, and during winter season from land to ocean, air blows from land to ocean. The northeast monsoon wind brings cold dry air from the northern land in winter, as I told you here. Now comes to our next topic, extreme weather. These are the components of weather and climate. Now here, when one of the weather components, that means these components, changes beyond a normal range, we experience the extreme weather. And in Bangladesh normally we experience this extreme weather, and they are heat wave and cold wave, flood and drought, nor'wester or kalboshaki, and tornado, cyclones. Let's discuss about this. First one, heat wave and cold wave. What is heat wave? A heat wave is a prolonged period of excessive heat weather. Normally we face it in summer season. Occurrence of extreme low temperature in association with incursion of dry cold winds from the north into our country are known as cold weather and cold wave, and normally we observe it in winter season. Flood and drought. During rainy season, 1/5 of our country will be under flooded. In extreme years, 2/3 of the land can be submerged in flood water. Now comes to what is drought. A usual long period of dry weather is called as drought. Here I have given a picture of flood, and here the drought condition. Actually this drought condition occur in summer season. You can see that where no rains occur for a long period of time. Now come to nor'west or kalboshaki. Thunderstorm, which is common during summer in our country, is known as nor'west or kalboshaki. Nor'wester or kalboshaki. Nor'wester grows by surface heating. It is more frequent in the late afternoon. The size of nor'wester is from several kilometers to 20 kilometers. Nor'wester is the vertically grown up convective cloud called cumulonimbus that brings thunder and lightning, heavy rain, hail, gusty winds, and even tornadoes. This is called kalboshaki. Normally this occur in summer season in our country. And now tornadoes. Normally from cumulonimbus cloud, it come out to the surface or the ground land. Tornado is a narrow, violent, funnel-shaped column of spiral winds. These winds extends downward from a cumulonimbus to the ground. The size of tornado is usually less than 1 kilometer. Look here, it is coming from the above to the ground. Now cyclone. This cyclone normally originate in ocean, then it come to the it blows over the land. Cyclone is a large low pressure system and a revolving storm that consists of numerous thunderstorms. The size of the cyclone is 500 to 800 kilometers. Cyclones are created by getting heat and water vapor from the warm Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. We have finished our class. Dear students, hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home, stay at home and stay safe. Good.